So these are inequations. Do you guys know what it is an inequation?
An exact.
Yes. So these are inequalities. Give you an idea. Because it's a inequality symbol. There are these 4 inequality symbols. Hopefully you know what the ones on the left are. These are smaller than or greater than.
I like that. Greater than.
Yeah, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So how do we solve the one on the left there? How are we going to do that one?
Sort of the same as getting x by itself, so take away 3x from both sides.
Take away 3x from both sides. That leaves us with 2x, take away 6. Okay. Plus 6 to both sides. Divide by 2. So in actual fact, that there is exactly the same working as we did when it was an equation, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. So this video in actual fact is redundant if you know how to solve it algebraically. I've kept the same symbol the whole time. Happy with that?
Yeah.
The only time that gets a little bit tricky is potentially on the right side here. So how are we going to do this one? The denominator is the same.
Yeah.
Lowest common denominator is 4. So I'm going to make that 2 lots of that one over 4. I'm going to expand that bracket. So it can become 2x plus 2 minus 3x plus 3 all over 4. So I've done that in 2 steps if you like.
Yep.
Okay. I've combined these 2 fractions and made that minus the minus turns into a plus. That's a real common question to get come exam time because it's a real easy mistake to make. It's like they're purposely trying to trip you up. Okay. And this is all less than 10. Happy so far?
Yep.
Collect the top lines, that's going to become negative x plus 5 over 4 is less than 10 times by 4. Okay. Minus 5, so it's negative x is less than 35. Okay. Now what?
Around the equation symbol.
So what I've said to you all along is I've said make that x over there and make the 35 there.
Yeah.
So add x to both sides and subtract 35 from both sides. That way, that inequality symbol will stay the same. Okay? So that x is greater than negative 35. Really important to get that understanding. Okay? When it's a negative x here, that is the part that's really important that you know what you are doing. You either do it my way, not my way, but do it the way I do it, as in add x to both sides to get that positive, or you learn the trick, which is flipping that when you find which I can teach you the trick. Any questions on that? Yeah. As Sam said, wait, just as Sam said, if you put in numbers here, when you get to the step, if you put in a number, just make sure it makes sense. You know, like negative 6 is smaller than 35, but over here is 6. Yeah. 6 is greater than negative 35. So I'll add that video to that team. Watch it again tomorrow if you need be. Otherwise, carry on where you are and move on. Yeah.